What's going on, people? What's going on? It's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set. Where what we do here, man. If you watch any content on this channel, and speaking of channel, you ain't done so already, hit that subscribe button so you can catch more content when we drop it here on the set. So, yeah, you see the caption down below, right? What a time to be a sneakerhead. Bruh, shoes are becoming more and more and more available. Some may look at this in the light that this is not a good thing for the culture. I beg to differ. The ability to walk into a store like you used to be able to do and just cop any pair of shoes that you want, that's crazy. What a time to be a sneakerhead. Man, last week we had the release of the Jordan 1 reimagined Royals, right? I got those early. Paid the extra fee to get them, but now, yeah, you seen that all over the internet. Can't believe these are sitting. Oh, these are sitting. Oh, and reason being is because Nike made a boatload of those sneakers. Like they made a ton of those sneakers, right? So that's the one reason. Another reason is the recession, man. Like people ain't got it like that to pay for sneakers like that. They don't. Not the regular run of the mill like average consumer, right? They just don't have it like that, especially when you got, you know, different variations of that sneaker that they may already have. But we ain't here for all that. Now we did have a shock drop for the Neapolitan, right? Which is Jordan 11. They hardly ever do what they're doing right now, which they're not released yet. And they had a shock drop, and they're still going for less than retail right now. So if Nike's looking at this, I don't know whether they're in a panic right now or they're just riding the wave. I don't know. But the fact that you can get that shoe for under retail right now is crazy. Again, they only dropped in women's sizes now. This could be a factor of the DMP that are coming out or the gratitudes, whichever one you want to call it, in December, right? Which we may get a shock drop with those too. But it's tough to gauge because we've only got that maybe once where we had 2 pair of 11s dropping. And yeah, I don't know, man. But you can get them for less than retail if you're in the small foot game. So yeah. And we got a slew of other like Jordan brand sneakers that are still available or going less than retail. Actually, even when it comes to certain dunks, my brother posted a pair of dunks the other day, the Court Purple SB dunks. Yeah, and they're not below retail, but they're going for like $150, and that's probably one of the coldest SBs that the drop this year. That colorway, that gum bottom, yeah. But the state of the sneaker game is, some may say, is trash right now. But from what I'm looking at and what we represent here on the set is, hey man, if the shoe is available, then that's a win for us. Because if you really like the shoe, this is time to eat good, man. Because once they sit, they going on sale. They gonna hit that swoosh count. They gonna be at the outlets, and it's a fine time to diversify. Let me use that word, to diversify your sneaker collection. But that's we already good on that. We know how the market is. We know what's going on. So my cherries came in the other day. I don't know what Nike was doing. Normally I get them joints 3 days later, but this time it took a while for me to get those. But it's another shoe that actually took a little while to get here, man. We got that size 12. You know how we do. Yep. And this is another shoe, man, where it didn't instantly sell out. Like I went to DTLR on release day. Actually, it was at like maybe 5:30 or so. I posted in another video where I went to DTLR, and yeah, they still have full size run available, man. As far as what they're doing right now, I don't know. They're going slightly above retail, so I think I seen a pair in my size for $252. So that's basically at retail. That's the seller adding their fees to that, so they don't take a loss. But yeah, man, Cherry joints came in, man. How I'm gonna rock these? Just like everybody else, man. That's a shoe you could just put together, fit easy with these, man. So yeah, they came in, man. I'm not mad at them. Not mad at them at all. Got the old Widow Peak joint on there, man. See that? But yeah, I'm interested to do a lace swap of these. I'm definitely wanting to do a lace swap of these to break up some of the white, man. I don't know. I might go with the white. I mean, black or red. I think I'm gonna go with a red. In these, man. Let me know what y'all think about these, man. Did you pick them up? Did you leave them? Is it one of them shoes that you absolutely have to have because it's one of the OG colorways? Are you a fan of 12's? Let me know, man. Yeah, but enough on the cherries. Gonna give you guys an on foot up here. So yeah, bruh. The state of the sneaker game is absolutely great. I'm digging it. And we did a video the other day on some of the sneakers that are releasing for the rest of the month of November. And man, there's some heat coming. It is some heat coming. And I hope, that energy ain't gonna be the same. It's not gonna be the same. Those shoes that I posted the other day in episode 2, straight to the toe, gotta go. The navies and the olives may be the ones that sit or are gonna be available post drop. But the rest of those, the Amama years, man, the raffle for both pair of those. The tight boot SB dunks and the raffle for those two, them joints gonna be gone. Those are specialty shoes. You never gonna see them joints sitting. You never gonna see those sit unless they just absolutely trash. But I highly doubt you'll ever see a SB collab like that or a Jordan I'm on a year collab. What else? Yeah, you're not gonna see them joints sitting. It's not gonna happen. But as far as like everything else in the month of November, bro, good luck, because it's gonna be a shock drop with those gratitudes. It's gonna happen. So I'm telling you now, be on the lookout for that because it's gonna happen. History repeats itself. We always get a shock drop with them joints in November. And I think, who did I see? Jay the Sneaker Guy. Man, I've been following Jay for a long time, man, and he did a breakdown on the last 5 releases of Jordan 11, the holiday versions, and when they drop. So, man, he broke that down and made it make sense, boy, because it's gonna happen. And I thought back after that too. I was like, dang, I did always have those early. So, man, that shot drop is gonna happen. Stay on your P's and Q's, keep your app updated, keep your ear to the streets, because it's gonna happen. But other than that, man, ain't got nothing else, man. It's your boy Money Matt. Hey, it's time to eat, bro. It's time to eat. It's time to diversify that sneaker collection. Them shoes available. You can get them double ups if you want them. So hit that like and subscribe button if you ain't done so already. It's your boy, man. I'm gone. Peace.